Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm RK. In this video, let's see how to install Tomcat in the Linux system. Basically, Tomcat works on Java. So let's install Java first. Let's open our terminal. And JDK. Here we are going to install Java 8. So let's install OpenJDK 8 JDK. Here I already installed Java 8 in my system. Let's check the version. Here you can see Java 1.8. Let's open the Tomcat's website. Tomcat install. Here this version of Tomcat is released on August 13th. Let's install this. Tomcat 8. Here I am going to download the zip file. Here the zip file is downloaded. Let's minimize this browser. Now let's move the Tomcat zip file from the downloads directory to another directory. Let's move into the opt directory. Now we need to unzip the Tomcat zip file. And here you can see. Let's rename the Tomcat folder as Tomcat. Now the Tomcat directory is under the ownership of root. Let's change it to RK. Now let's enter into the Tomcat directory. Here you can see. Now let's check our Java install location. Let's open the file manager. If bash is your current shell, you can edit the bash RC. My current shell is GSH, so I am editing GSH RC. For Tomcat, we need two environment variables. One is Java home and another one is Catalina home. Java home have the location of Java and Catalina home have the location of Tomcat. Java home, and it need to be in the caps. Copy the location of Java and paste it here, and in the next line Catalina home. Copy the location of our current Tomcat file. Let's save this. Let's change it to default directory and run the file. Let's get back to our Tomcat directory. Let's start the Tomcat application. Bin slash startup.sh. We need to give the execution permission to these files. Chmod plus x to all the files in the bin directory which have extension of sh. Okay, let's try that again. Tomcat started. Let's open our browser and check that localhost colon 8080. Here Tomcat is running our machine. Let's upload a war file and check that. Manage app. Now let's assign the username and password for Tomcat. Here I'm using a CLI editor nano. The file is in conf tomcat users.xml. Okay, here we need to make the changes. Let's remove this and this too. Here for this we are going to use only one user. Here the role name is admin GUI and the next role name is manager GUI, and the username will be same as Tomcat. If you wish, you can change that to anything which you need. And let's change the password. My password is Tomcat test, and the roles are which we mentioned above: admin GUI and manager GUI. Okay, let's save this. Now we need to shut down this Tomcat and restart again. Bin shutdown.sh. Here the Tomcat is stopped. Let's start it again. Username is Tomcat and the password is Tomcat test. Now we are in and we can deploy the war file which we need. Let's download the sample Tomcat war file from the Tomcat's website. Tomcat sample war file. Let's download it from here. Save. Let's browse that. Sample.war. Here the message is okay. It means it's deployed. Let's view that. Localhost 8080/sample. Here you can see that by default in the HTML or PHP sites, the default file will be like index, or in ASP it's like default.aspx. But in Tomcat it's a root with all caps. So here we have uploaded the war file as sample.war. So we need to enter the samples every time we need to view this site. Let's change the name to root and deploy the tagging. loads cp sample.var to root with all caps .var. Now let's deploy that again. Browse root.var. Let's deploy that. Here the message is okay. Let's remove the sample from the URL and check that. Yeah, now it's working as default file. So that's it for now. If you have any other doubts, ask me in the comments and see you later. Bye.